So this is the outside of the garage. So this garage is in Grimsby. We are located in Grimsby. I know a lot of you have no idea where Grimsby is. Grimsby is underneath Hull. It's like 40 minute drive from Hull. It's underneath Hull. So yeah, kind of in the middle of of nowhere, but it's cheap living out here, you know. It's not like a city. Very different vibe, but it's all right. It's all right. I don't know who told this madman to drive my car, but I let him have a bit of fun with it.
That is a beast, though.
It's a beast, right? You like it? You should buy one, bro. Wow, that is bloody hell, that's loud. Absolute beast. Got a Peugeot 5008 taxi, Chevrolet, Honda, obviously the Golf there, got a Kia up there, got a Vauxhall Astra. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna speak to you guys about this car, because this is another project car that we are working on, that Alex purchased. So we'll go over this car as well. Okay guys, this is the second vehicle. This one actually, Alex purchased this one. So we'll go through a breakdown of this vehicle. So this is a BMW 330E 2020. It's a hybrid vehicle. I think it's got 292 horsepower. Torque, I'm not sure, I think about 400 Newton meters of torque, something like that, thereabouts. It is rear wheel drive. It is electric hybrid. The hybrid system gives you about 30 to 40 miles of range. I am not a fan of electric cars, but Alex seems to be a fan of them. Right, so the side profile again here, windshield. The windshield is gone. Unfortunately, a windshield cannot be fixed. We can't fix this. We have to change it. And this is money. This costs a lot of money. Unfortunately, this one is going to be a little dent to the bank account as well. Looking at the interior of the vehicle with this one, again, the airbags were deployed and we had to change every single one of them. So the seat belts were needed replacing as well. So the seat belts have been replaced. The back of the car is sound, no issues, looks fine, beautiful interior. And we've got the M logo here, but it's not an M, it's an E. It's an E, but it's nice.
You know what I hate about this?
M emblem there. Go on, what do you hate about this car? What is this, man? What is this? Electric, where you charge it?
Hybrid plug. You have to plug it and then charge the motor.
Hybrid plug-in.
The motor is here. The battery is here and the motor is connected into the engine.
This is not, I don't know what, this is not a B, I don't believe this is a B50. I don't know what engine it is, but anyone that knows what engine it is, let us know.
It's got a hybrid motor into it.
Yeah.
Well, the only thing, it's got a small damage, which is the bumper. We repaired it.
So we've actually started doing some work on this car. So this is the front bumper. So this is getting repaired because it was damaged. So the main damage of this car was front end, similar to the Golf R. It's front end damage. I believe the headlight, the passenger side headlight, needs replacing as well. So yeah, that's been ordered. So passenger side headlight has been ordered, and this car has less damage than the Golf R. Apart from that, the side profile is fine as well. So there's no damage to the side profile either. So I think apart from that,
I tried to repair it, but it's aluminium. You can't repair this bonnet. Look there.
Okay, so this madman here attempted to repair this bonnet. Unfortunately, this bonnet cannot be saved. It will not be saved. So again, this is another dent to the bank account because we have to replace this. I'm not sure how much these bonnets are. Alex, do you have any idea how much this bonnet is going to cost to replace?
400 to 500 quid.
400 to 500 pounds just to replace
Because
this
G80,
bonnet.
G20, the bonnet, all this is fitting into the same thing.
Yeah.
That's why, because of G20.
Yeah.
Which is expensive, everything.
Okay, so yeah, because the G80s are expensive and they use the same bonnet. So yeah, even though this is a lower 3 Series model in terms of pricing, the bonnet is expensive. Okay, so we have a little dent. This is the front, what do you call this? A quarter panel, a wing?
Wing, yeah.
You're right. So this wing has got a bit of damage, but this will buffer out. So that doesn't need replacing. That can be repaired.
The only problem in this car, 700 quid just for the glass. You know why? Because it's
Oh
got
my
3
goodness.
camera. The G80 has got 1 camera. This has got 3 camera.
What?
For the headlight and for the
So the G80, which is the full fat version of this car, which is the most expensive top of the range BMW, has how many cameras? Is it? 1.
they've got 1 camera.
This
which
has
is
3.
Cheaper glass
Than this.
one. What the hell?
So it costs £700 to replace this
Plus
front windshield,
Calibration.
and then you have to do some calibration work on it as well. That's unfortunate that it's a bit pricey, but yeah, guys, that is pretty much.
Engine is running on
Yeah.
drive, smooth,
Runs and drives smooth. Yeah,
no damage in the engine.
no damage to the engine.
In the crash bar or anything like that.
Crash
Just
bar's
the
fine.
headlight was broken. We ordered a new headlight. The bumper was broken. Replacing the bumper, putting back the old bumper. But when might be put a new one, might be not. But the bonnet is need a new one because aluminium we can't repair this shit.
Yeah.
That's it.
So
Good to
it's
go.
similar damage to the Golf, but less severe, I would say. So quick rundown: passenger side headlight, bonnet, front windscreen, front bumper, and a repair on the passenger side wing, and then hopefully there's no other damage to this vehicle, and then it can be back on the road. I don't know if do you want to keep the car, do you want to sell the car? What are the plans? What's the plans for this car once it's in a position to be back on the road?
When we put it back on the road,
Yeah,
when we drive it for a bit,
Yeah.
we see if it's nice, we sell it. If it's not, we repair it and sell it.
okay. So we'll see. We'll basically see. So yes, stay tuned. There'll be more updates on this
It's
car.
not the car we can tune in, force the engine to put more power or anything like that. But might be the Golf I, you know.
So yeah,
Maybe
this
put the-
this car will not be as quick like the M3 Touring. It's not going to be a car that will tune and build. Nothing like that. This is an electric car. This is a battery. Yeah, I call this a battery. It's electric. Yeah. Well, hybrid. Same thing. Same
saving
thing.
money thing.
Yeah. Anything that has this, I count it as electric, and we don't do electric. We don't like them.
I do.
That's what I didn't buy this car. He did. I didn't buy this one. I don't buy electric cars. I wouldn't buy an electric car. Maybe one day in the future, we'll see, because that's where we're heading.
It might be the Bugatti.
Maybe in 50 years, if we're lucky enough to afford a Bugatti. Bloody hell, you know. You never know, though. You never know. Eventually, you never know. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. So yeah, stay tuned.